there friends, it's Ashley here from the Loopy Lamb, and I am back with another spring and summer yarn for crocheters review. Today we are looking at the Shine worsted weight yarn from WeCrochet. I've got the three different colors here. I've got pistachio, blush, and grapefruit. I'm excited to talk to you about what makes this yarn so different. These are 50-gram balls. It's only available in 50-gram balls, and each ball comes with 75 yards of yarn. Now, it is a worsted weight yarn. I feel like it's a little closer to an Aran weight. It's a heavier worsted. And this is a 60% Pima cotton, 40% modal blend. If you're not familiar with modal, it is a natural beechwood fiber, and that is what gives Shine its name, is that beechwood fiber. This yarn is really, really soft because of the Pima and possibly also because of the beechwood, but just delightfully soft to touch. And that beechwood makes it kind of almost like a little, I want to say slippery, but that's only because I can't think of another word. It's not slippery when you work with it, but it's very smooth, I guess is what I should say. If you are a crocheter, the recommended hooks here are I to K, and you would get 11 to 14 single crochets in a 4-inch swatch with those hooks. And for you knitters out there, you're going to be using 6 to 9 needles, and you'll get 4.5 to 5 stitches in a 1-inch swatch. This is machine washable and dryable, which is always a huge hit for me. I have kids, and honestly, it's very hard to sell me on stuff that I can't just pop in the dryer or washing machine. This yarn comes in 30 different colors, and the ones I have here are really, really pretty. I'm not normally an orange fan, but this grapefruit for some reason just calls to me. I really, really like this, especially for summer. Now I've got a really small little swatch here that I did with a 5.5 hook. I started with my singles, did some half doubles, and then finished with some double crochets. I would probably personally go up hook size or 2 if I were going to be making something with this, especially if I was doing singles, because it's really stiff fabric down here, and you could just get more drape in your fabric if you're using a bigger hook. I'd probably use this for things like bags, baby projects, because it's so soft. And it comes in like these really nice muted colors like the blush and the pistachio here. Just really, really soft, nice to touch yarn, really. I didn't have any issues with splitting. It was great to work with. What else can you say? It was just a really nice yarn to work with. I think that I'm probably going to try a bag with this. Why not, right? It'd be perfect for a bag. And it's not going to chafe you under the arm like something with a harsher cotton because it is so soft. So if you're having a bag, like a tote bag that's under your arm, it'd be really great for that. If you are interested in checking this out, I'll make sure that I link to it in the description box below. And if you're wanting to check out more of the summer and spring yarns that are available and that I've checked out from WeCrochet, I will make sure to link to that here for you, so that way you can check it out, because I've done a high-level review of all of their summer and spring cotton and cotton blend yarns. So you can check that out here, the high level, and then as I'm working through them, I am doing a more in-depth review of each of these yarns. So if you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear from you. Leave that in the comment section for me below. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, friends. Happy hooking, and I'll see you next time.